are introducing a true multitasker, the VC55 60Hz generator, powered by the reliable Cummins engine for BT3.9 G2 and the Lerisama alternator tail A42G. Fuel efficient, durable, and powerful. With 50 kV prime power and 55 kV standby power, perfect for steady power at medium scale size. Switch between 220 voltage and 440 voltage with one click. Flexible at its best. Equipped with Dipsy 890, control and monitor your transit from your phone, anywhere, anytime. Built-in forklift slots and side tow bar for fast, efficient site setup. External fuel filter for quicker and safer refueling. With water jet heater, cold weather won't stop you. Manual oil drain pump for fast, mess-free maintenance. VC55 flexible, stable, and operator-friendly, a perfect match for rental fleet. Contact us today. Want to know more? Get in touch now. Cummins 55 kV 60Hz is ready for your next job.